This is
bodybuilding.
What you think? Looking alright? You guys can just take it for food for thought. You don't really have to learn off me, but if you want to just be entertained or enjoy or get inspired to find your own program, your own dietitian, or whatever you need to do, you know, that's what you guys, that's what it's here for, man. It's not here to talk about this guy and say, oh, he's an idiot, or this guy's dumb.
Personal gym, needing some new stuff, and basically just showing you that I don't like missing workouts, and I always would sneak in, you know, half an hour, 35 minutes, 40 minutes during exam time, just to kind of take a break from studying or whatever, right? So it's always nice to have something at home. It doesn't need to be exactly like the gym at home that you go to regularly, but just basically have it around for convenience. You know, all you need is...
Alright, check this out. See how unorthodox this is? Fucking hockey stick. Still works.
Okay.
Nice. I think I read about this in the bodybuilding encyclopedia.
Can you slide those over? Oh wait, so yeah, slide that over. Nice. And then help up. That's good, I got it. I got it.
Alright.
Notice how I got rid of my iron worker belt? Santa, bring me some fucking weights. Good.
Nice.
There's my decline. Santa, I've been good, I swear. I need some new weights. Come on. I'll buy my own weights after I start working. Got to improvise.
Yo, yo, yo. Y'all made it this far. Merry Christmas, son. A little bit of a narration up in her. I was giving her shit in the basement. Wasn't lifting very good. Was more concerned about my safety, so just keeping the form slow and lifting slow and just trying to get a pump on for Christmas. You know, the dismount is kind of tricky, but there's the trick.
That's good.
Check out my eye from working out. Holy fuck, need to get some Christmas equipment. Sweet. That's a shiner, for sure. Shoot. Ah, it sucks to be you, mister. Last year, man. Yeah, I was this thing. Smoked me right in the face. I was doing a right hand bicep curl, kind of like a preacher curl with one arm. And, you know, the little red slidey thing fell off. And then all the weights tumbled, smoked me in the face. So I hit my eyeball. Don't worry, we gotta upgrade this year system. Put some tape on the end. We'll have it again.
So as you can see, there's no Christmas hurt, but what you can see also is that I got big chubby cheeks. That's kind of a different mentality change. I kind of decided to listen to what my trainer had to say and eat less lean throughout the year. So for many of you guys who found my channel through my chicken breast video, that's totally cool, but I'm on the ground beef diet now. A little bit cheaper, and then get back on the chicken breast for the contest prep. But I'll do some posing for you guys and show you guys what 1 year's natural bodybuilding growth is. Cheers. Let's go 2012, baby! Woo!